Dear student, a things of beauty. John Mintel here describe in beginning line of this poem. A things of beauty is a joy forever. Its loveliness increases. It will never pass into nothingness but will keep a bower quiet for us and a sleep full of sweet streams and health and quiet breathing. In these lines, poet describes that anything that is beautiful provides us unending, everlasting, and internal joy because it lives on indelible imprint on our heart and the soul. यानी ब्यूटी जो होती है हमारे हार्ट और सोल पर एक छाप छोड़ करके जाती है. वी लव टू relive the memory of that joyous experience whenever it flashes back in our mind. It loveliness increase means the joy that we experience on seeing a beautiful object multiples whenever we remember it. A thing the memory of which provides us eternal joy will never fade away. The loneliness of a beautiful object does not fade away or die because it leaves an indelible imprint on our heart and the soul. In second stanza, poet describe in this poem, therefore on every morrow we wreathing a flowery band to bind us to the earth, spite of despondence of the inhuman dearth of noble nature, of the gloaming days, of toil the unhealthy, and over darkened ways made for our searching. Here poet want to say that every morning we weave a beautiful string of the flowers or memories which help us to support ourselves and motivates us to live our life to the fullest instead of burden our life with pain and suffering. A question is arise here, why is there an inhuman dearth of the noble nature? In this day there are few people who are noble in character and who rise above petty difference by Being magnanimous and generous, there is a dearth of such noble souls on our earth, as man is selfish and self-centered. Here poet wants to say that unhealthy and coward a darkened ways means he referred to the trials and tribulation of life, the selfish and jealous method we adopt to achieve our goals. It means despite the existence of gloom and darkened around. In his third stanza, he describes, yes, in spite of all, some shape of beauty move away to pall from our dark spirits, such the sun, the moon, trees, and young sprouting a shady boon for simple sheep, and such are daffodils with the green world they live in, and clear rills that for themselves a cooling covert make against the hot season. The mist forest break, rich with a sprinkling of fair musk rose bloom, and such too is the grandeur of the dome we have imagined for the might dead. In this stanza, poet want to describes here the only appreciate the simplicity and serenity of beauty through the image of the sun, the moon, the tree, the sheep, the daffodils, the green pastures, the livid streams, and a fair bloom of musk rose. The tree bears the heat of the sun to give shade and coolness to anyone who seeks shade and rest under its branches. Its greatness is a degree greater because it gives shade not only to the mighty ones but also for the simplest, simplest of the animal such as the sheep. In this stanza, poet used a very beautiful symbology of the nature. In this poem, poet used the very simple sheep symbolize. Here he describes sheep and lamb are in visions as symbols of innocence and serenity, beauty. Jesus Christ was a shepherd and was surrounded by his flock of sheep. His flowers kit has made special reference to the sheep as the symbols of the divine beauty. In this poem, poet want to say that only beauty of nature is bound to us on the earth. We want to live on the earth here because the beautiful things has attracted me and bound me to live on this earth. थैंक यू बच्चों.